came for a walk down to the river behind my house to see how low it is. Yeah, very, very, very low. It's barely running. It's running a little bit over there. It is pretty much non-existent. Yeah, I seen on the news the other day that they're closing all the hydro powered plants on the Mississippi River. One in St. Cloud shut down for the first time in 30 years. So, we need rain. Bad. Can't even fish in here. I see a few little minnows. It's a little nature trail behind my house. Kids come down here every Saturday and clean up the park, and they have lunch here. But I have never, ever seen it this low. When we first bought our house 6 years ago, it was so high I wanted to see if we can get flood insurance. But we weren't in a floodplain, so they wouldn't do it. Yeah, it should not be this low. Well, everybody stay safe out there. Hope you're getting more rain than we are. And anybody down south that's watching this, maybe you guys could send some of your rain up here to Minnesota. We definitely need it. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.